How McDonald's French fries are made. French fries don't begin in a restaurant. They begin on large potato farms, where carefully selected potatoes are grown in rich soil under controlled conditions. When the potatoes are ready, modern harvesting machines gently lift them from the ground. The best potatoes are chosen for their size, shape, and texture, making them perfect for long, crispy fries. From the farm, the potatoes are transported to food processing factories. Here, they are thoroughly washed using powerful water jets to remove all dirt and debris. Next, the potatoes are peeled using hot steam. This method removes the skin quickly and cleanly, without damaging the potato itself. Once peeled, the potatoes move to high-speed cutting machines. These machines slice each potato into perfectly uniform French fries, ensuring even cooking and consistent taste. The freshly cut fries are then briefly cooked in hot water. This step, called blanching, removes excess natural sugars and prepares the fries for their soft inside texture. After blanching, the fries receive a light coating that helps control color and texture during cooking. This ensures the fries turn golden instead of dark when fried. The fries are then partially fried in hot oil for a short time. This step locks in structure but does not fully cook them. Next comes flash freezing. The fries pass through freezing tunnels where cold air rapidly freezes them, preserving freshness and quality. The frozen fries are packed into boxes and loaded onto refrigerated trucks. They are shipped to McDonald's restaurants around the world. At the restaurant, the frozen fries go straight from the freezer into hot oil. In just minutes, they turn golden, crispy on the outside, and soft on the inside. Finally, the fries are lightly salted and served hot. From farm to fryer, every step is carefully designed to deliver the same famous taste every time.